What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just vlogs now.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, the Arrow, of course, and if you are new, welcome to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can be a part of the family, along with the notification bell so that you are updated every time I do upload. Now let's get into this video. Yeah, guess what? I decided that guess what? Yeah, I decided that I'm going to decorate. I mean, not a lot, but I'm going to decorate the house a little bit, and the outside of the house. I kind of wanted to get this going because even though it's like the beginning of the vlog, y'all, it's kind of like a continuation to another video I did yesterday. So I'm losing the light, and I kind of want y'all to see me doing this, like, set up on the outside. Just a little bit of decorations that I did buy from Dollar Tree, y'all. I'm showing y'all how to be basically, I am showing y'all how to decorate on a budget. How you can have some cute stuff and get it from Dollar Tree and look like it's $1 million. But yeah, so I'm teaching y'all how to do that. But let's go ahead, let's get into this video. Let me see. Yeah, no, let's go ahead, let's get into this video so that you guys can see exactly some of the stuff that I bought. And keep talking, this daylight is going. Let's go ahead, let's get into it. Okay, so it is, alright, so it is like a little dark, so you can still see, but I'm going to decorate this part over there, just see how it is. So let's get started. So yeah. Oh, that's so cute. But yeah, side note, I kind of realized I need way more of this stuff than I thought. I really didn't think this little porch was that big at all. But I guess it really is bigger than I thought it was. But yeah. So off to the dollar store. I will be going again tomorrow. But yeah, and then also I kind of want these little bells and stuff because I want to put some going down these rails and then hang these little bells on like these little curvy things that I see. I think it's gonna be really cute. But actually probably could run to the store today to get them. So yeah. Alright guys, so now I basically cleared off everything kind of on this table, and I'm going to be putting basically the tree and all the scenes and things like that around it. So let's get started. Let me go get everything. But yeah, isn't it so cute, guys? Oh my god, it's so cute, like for real. It came out better than I thought. Sorry, I'm filming with my phone, so the battery is kind of low, so I have to keep it plugged up for y'all. For some reason, I don't know why I just want to get my camera, but this is easier. Now I need to figure out when to do this because I had an idea, but I don't know because this is a little bit further than I thought. I mean, it could stretch. Yeah, it probably could stretch over there. Okay. Maybe I should see if that works first. Will fit. I'm not gonna play it right now because my phone is basically using the socket that it will be in. So I'm just gonna wait for last so my phone can get a little charge in it while we set this up. So, all right, let's go. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, little drummer man around. Yes, those presents, yeah, these presents look amazing. So yeah, that was basically my little scene that I put in the living room. Like I told y'all, we still like haven't been there that long, so we ain't got that much furniture. So I was like, I don't want to like decorate that much since it's just empty. But I think that's cute, like a little scene, creating my own little scene. So yeah, little cutie. Oh, I don't know, I might find somewhere else to put all these little drum in because I only kind of wanted 2 when I got them, just to have them like on the edge, like back there. But then I had all these, so I'm like, oh, they're guarding the tree. But I don't know, right now I'm gonna keep them right there, but if I move them, I will show y'all that. So I'm still debating, but yeah. And then the snow globe, joy. Ooh, yes, there we go. But yeah, y'all, that was it for this video. So thank you guys again. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and watch some of my other Vlogmas videos. They will be up here in the cards, and also they will be in the description, and then also at the end of this video. So you guys got options. Go ahead and choose them. There you go. But yeah, again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video, okay? Bye.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. I'm just going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.